sometimes feel far from God. Or we sometimes feel spiritual dry. Kahapon, burnout, spiritual burnout. We maybe also experience spiritual dryness. Seems like living in the wilderness. Or that our prayers are hitting the ceiling, mga kapatid. Parang tayo ay, ang ating mga panalangin ay parang nandiyan lang lagi sa Quezon, mga kapatid. We sometimes feel free for, feel, far from God, dry, and our prayers are hitting the ceiling. Or we may feel a sort of spiritual depression and find it difficult to find the joy of the Lord. Sinisikap mo maging masaya pero hindi ka talaga maging masaya. Mga kapatid, lalo na marami sa atin ay sabi po natin financially. Sabi na lang natin mga kapatid ay talagang naghihirap. Lagi yung sabi natin laging parang laging kulang. So kaya nga po ay parang ang ating mga panalangin walang katugunan. And some maybe during this time experience a spiritual attack, or others undergo temptations. Mga kapatid, this wilderness experience maaring consequence or bunga ng ating pong mga sariling mga pagkakamali. I would like to personally also admit, mga kapatid, na ako'y nakaranas din yan. I am not saying na I am exempted from this experience, or the wilderness experience, mga kapatid. I go through, or I went through, and I may be, still going through in this wilderness experience, mga kapatid. Pero madalas, ang wilderness experience ay dumarating na lang yan, mga kapatid, nang hindi natin inaasahan. When we experience wilderness experience, the Lord leads us into this wilderness experience. And perhaps, as a time of testing by God to produce maturity in us. Mga kapatid, madalas ito pong wilderness ay nangyayari pagkatapos ng tayo ay nakaranas ng tinatawag na mountaintop experience. Pag sinabing mountaintop experience, yung maaluwal na pamumuhay. Tandaan na natin, mga kapatid, hindi laging maaluwal ang pamumuhay. Darating din po na tayo ay bababa doon sa valley, doon sa kapatagan, na kung tawagin ay the wilderness experience.